never had a 4-year-old do that good.
Yeah, close it. Close it.
You got
his mask and your mask
I've got my mask and his mask.
and the gummies.
Yeah, they're still in my purse.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the
You know
hurt.
what this is gonna do? It's gonna give your arm a little hug. You want a shot? You have to point to the ear the beep comes from. So point to this ear or point to this ear, okay? Is there a beep? Oh, good job.
I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
Good job.
You did
Oh my
your
goodness,
time.
I've never had a 4-year-old do that good. You did so good.
Good job.
Usually when I try to like put it in your twice, they do. You got it. Good.
Don't give up. Just hold on tight.
There they are.
It'll be alright.
You'll get both over here or
Okay.
All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.
I need the ladder. Need the ladder. Dang it. I think we should probably try to like reach this out as far away as possible. Try to see if I can see where they've been built. Oh, those are bat droppings. Please don't have a bat fly at my face. Please don't. I see where they're at. Where the vent is, like right on the wall. If this doesn't kill them, we can shoot them from here with one of those. Like I can see it.
yeah, close it. Close it.
I'm trying. Okay, that's good.
I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight.
So,
Be alright.
Chloe sacrificed her father's trial to save Lucifer's thoughts of her and his feelings
Yeah,
and
like
stuff
she didn't want to hurt him. Penetration, and he went in and out of there. Didn't like all her little jokes. It was like he almost like the laugh or something triggered or something like
Right.
a smile or something. I don't know what this was. I was like, what?
Not to interrupt.
New visitors policy, hot women turning up unannounced are no longer welcome, especially those who are secretly home.
Hey,
was a like dairy-free recipe.
And Nani, there's cauliflower all over the floor.
Something I really am curious about. More about her story.
All right, dump that. Focus.
Whoa! Ew, looks cool.
Neil is still gone, and Belle, for better or worse, she knows it.
Okay, clean up, please. There's actually not that much to clean up. It's your room that's the mess.
You need to get outside every day. And because you have anxiety, because you take medicine for it now, you definitely need to get outside every day. It's one of the things that will help your anxiety. It's one of the things that will help you sleep. It's one of the things that will help your stress. You have to get outside every single day.
And she's like, yeah, look at this over here. They were looking at the fish tank together, and they're like, oh, yeah. Look, Patrick fell over because it was like SpongeBob themed in there. And she's like, look, it's SpongeBob's house, and it's a Krusty Krab. And Tobias is like, that's not SpongeBob's house.
butter.